Hi, I'm Jack. I'm 17 and I'm studying light vehicle maintenance and repair. I chose this course because I had quite a big interest in cars and the motor industry in general before coming here. The thing I like most about my course is the practical aspect of it and actually being able to work on a car. We have pretty much every tool you need for a job. We've got electric and hybrid vehicles, so we're still learning about new technology. We're kind of, in a way, evolving with the motor industry. Some of the best things about studying at Coleg Gwent is how social it is. The teachers really help with that, trying to get everyone involved. Long-term goals, ideally I'd like to get to a point where I can become a motorsport mechanic. I'd definitely recommend this course. There's so much to learn. Seeing what's actually here is an obvious choice. You have everything you need to do well in the course.